If you've ever written a Python class just to store some data, you've probably spent more time writing dunder methods than actual logic. There's a better way. A data class is a decorator introduced in Python 3.7 that automatically generates boilerplate code for classes primarily used to store data. Just add the @dataclass decorator above your class definition, and Python handles the rest. It's part of the standard library, so no external dependencies needed. The key requirement is type annotations. Every field in your data class must have a type hint. This isn't just for documentation. The decorator uses these annotations to understand what fields your class has and generate the appropriate methods. What does the data class decorator actually generate? It creates an init method that accepts all your fields as parameters. It generates a reaper method so your objects print nicely. And it creates an ec method so you can compare instances based on their field values, not just identity. All the tedious stuff you'd normally write by hand. Data classes also support advanced features. Set frozen equals true to make instances immutable after creation. Use the field function to specify default values, default factories, or exclude fields from certain generated methods. You can even enable automatic ordering methods so instances can be sorted. It's a surprisingly powerful tool for such a simple concept. Bottom line, data classes turn 10 lines of boilerplate into one decorator. Master this and you'll write cleaner Python code. Want more interview prep? Subscribe and keep practicing. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.